ready to transform your lead nurturing from a trickle to a torrential downpour of conversions. Let's dive into how to trigger drip campaigns in Kvcore, turning everyday lead actions into automated engagement gold. First, log into your Kvcore account. Navigate to the Marketing Autopilot section on the left-hand side. This is where the magic happens. Next, click on Campaign Triggers. This is where we'll set the rules for when our drip campaigns launch. Click the Add Trigger button to create a new automation rule. Now choose your trigger event. This could be anything from a new lead registration to a property view or a specific search activity. Select the event that best suits your campaign goals. Then, select the drip campaign you want to be triggered by that event. This is the campaign that will automatically start when the chosen action occurs. Use the filter options to narrow down which leads this trigger applies to. You can filter by lead source, status, tags, and more to ensure the right campaign reaches the right people. Finally, make sure the trigger is set to active and click Save. This will activate your automation and start triggering your drip campaign. And that's it. Now you can relax knowing your Kvcore system is automatically nurturing leads with timely and relevant communication, maximizing your engagement and conversion opportunities. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Kvcore tips.